Today I'm going to be showing you a bow staff strike combo known as the 3-poke. To do this move, you should already have your 45 strike and your thrust. I'll put links to these moves in the description below. This combo is a bit trickier than some of the other ones I've covered, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the upper body and then the lower body separately, and then we will combine them together to create the full combo. For the upper body, we're going to start in a right hand out 45 strike position. From here, the left hand is going to come up, so that the bow is now horizontal. The right tip of the bow will kind of poke out, and that's the strike. From here, the left hand will be lowered again, back to the waist, completing the first poke. We're then going to raise it up, do our second poke, come back down, and then for the last poke, we just raise it up, we don't come back down, and we stay in this final position. For the lower body, we're going to start in a right foot forward, front or forward stance position. From here, my back foot or my left foot is going to come up and meet the right foot. From here, my right foot is going to step back out into a right foot forward, front or forward stance. Note that my upper body can stay facing approximately the same way the whole time, and that's because the left foot never goes in front of the right foot. Now we're going to combine the upper body and the lower body together. So we're going to start in that right foot out, right hand out 45 strike position. From here, the left foot's going to start moving as we do our first poke. And then as we finish our second poke, our feet will be together. And then our third poke will finish as the right foot hits its mark. One thing to consider is that when your feet are together, you really need to bend your knees so that you don't bob up and down as you move between your two stances. For this combo, it's important that not all 3 pokes are treated equally. The first 2 have to be much quicker than the final strong strike. The timing is not ba, 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 as if they were equal, but instead it's ba, ba, ba. The first 2 are in quick succession, the last one is strong and final. Thanks for watching the whole video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it that thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and check out my channel for more videos.